Hello everyone, I'm Lilia Murray with the Faculty Development Center. Today we're going to go over how you can update or design your homepage layout in Canvas. Life can be confusing, or at least things that happen in life can be confusing. The UK's Telegraph showed the results to a recent survey showing algebra to be second on the list of the 50 most confusing things in the world. Other things that were noteworthy areas of bewilderment include Stephen Hawking's theories and packaging on kids' toys. So let's try and help make Canvas a less confusing place for students. With few exceptions, the course homepage is the first thing students see. It's also the thing they'll see every single time they enter a course. So choosing the best format and the right information is crucial to avoiding confusion that leads to student frustrations and false starts. To change your homepage layout, click on the Choose Homepage link towards the upper right of your current homepage. Canvas allows faculty to choose from a number of homepage layouts, some dynamic, some static. So let's go over your options. The default is this recent activity dashboard. Another choice you have is Pages Front Page, Course Modules, Assignments List, and Syllabus. The activity stream, or the recent activity dashboard, is the default homepage layout. This is my least favorite design. Why? Because most students don't know what to do when they see this page. It's confusing. I highly recommend you change it if you haven't done so already. The next option is Modules. Modules provide an organized, sequenced map of the entire course. It's not the prettiest homepage option, but it provides a sleek, efficient, and easy to understand view that helps students quickly engage with your learning activities and stay on track. This is great for pre-organized courses where students can rely on the module sequence to both contextualize learning activities and help them pick up where they left off. Another option is the Page I'll Design Myself, or the Front Page option. It's a custom homepage that's designed by you. It's like a blank page, giving you the power to share whatever material or links or pictures you want. You can create a table with image icons that link directly to individual modules, seen as in this example, or in this example. In this example, I just created a video through a third-party tool called Animoto. So here you see the company name up here. There's a free for educators account if you'd like to explore it on your own, but otherwise it's a fun way to provide some personal information already on the front page of your course. Underneath, you can see I have some image icons over here, and I have my text underneath. Each text is hyperlinked to that particular module in the course. Notice I'm also providing some instructions here for the students, since this is the first page they'll see. To get started, click on the module map below, or click on Modules from the left side menu. And of course, this is that recent activity dashboard. The other options were a lot more engaging, weren't they? Now let me show you how you can create that page you'll design yourself in Canvas, because it can be a little tricky the first time you do it. So here I am on my home page. Next I would click on Choose Homepage. You would think that you would simply just click on this, Pages Front Page, and click Save, correct? The very first time you do that, nothing will appear to have changed. You will still see this recent activity dashboard. That's because if you go back and click on Choose Homepage, Canvas will let you know you must select the front page first. If you click on this, it'll bring you to the Pages button over here. Notice you haven't created any pages, so Canvas says I can't make something be the front page, your home page, if nothing's been created yet. So you need to first create that. So we'll say no page is created yet, add one. I can simply type in what I want my title to be. Maybe it's Welcome. Welcome to my course designation, whatever it might be. I might bold it, change the font color. You have all these options here. I might make this be a bigger font size. But now if I want to be able to design it a little bit more, I have my options. But for now, let's already make this be our home page. So I'm just going to stop here for now. I'll click Save. And notice here too, it's not published yet. I need to publish it if I want students to be able to see it as my home page. So I'll click Publish, and notice it's green, it's good. Next, if I click on the little gear icon, I can see View Page History, but that's not what I want. What I need to do is tell Canvas I want this to be my front page, my home page. In order to do that, I must click here, View All Pages. This will let me view any of those content pages I've created in Canvas. Now I select the gear dropdown and I choose Use This as a Front Page. This option allows you, if you'd like, to rotate your front page, your home page, each week. Some people would like to put in their announcements as their home page, and this will allow them to do that by making this be their front page, and they just simply change the front page each week. Otherwise, once you've selected it, you'll see it here, front page. And now when you go back to your home page, you'll notice there it is. It's already there. Now to continue editing your home page, you click on the Edit button. And if you'd like to create that table that I showed you before, you simply click on the table icon, Insert Edit Table. From here, this is where you need to do a little bit of forethought. You need to think, well, how many modules will I have my Canvas course? Perhaps you have 6 modules, so 5 weekly modules, including a Start Here module. That would mean I would have it be maybe 3 columns of 2 rows each, Insert. And then I simply type in the names of my modules. Start Here. Then I might have a week 1, a week 2, however you might have it be something else. You might have like historical overview, current issues, and so on. However you've titled your modules. Now I might select it, bold it, I might change the font size, I might center my text, and if I want to make my overall table bigger, I simply click and drag it, and there I go. I click Enter here if I want to add an image below my text. At this point, I have some choices. If I have my own images I'd like to upload here, I can simply go over here to my Image tab and upload an image. I can find wherever it might be on my computer. See here. I click on it, click Open, and now I see there's my image file. Again, if I want it to upload actually here in the table, I click my mouse where I'd like Canvas to put my image, and then I click Upload. Once it's there, if it's too big, I can simply click on it and resize it. Again, I can click Enter. If it's an image I have, I can go over here to Upload a new image, choose File, I can find another file, click Open. There I see the image file. I tell Canvas where I'd like my image to go and click Upload. If it's too big, I simply click on it and drag it to the appropriate size. However, if it's an image I'd like to get from the internet, I would click this icon in my toolbar. Remember, this toolbar and these 3 tabs are everywhere in Canvas. So now I'm going to click on the tree icon, and this time I'm going to look for something on Flickr for the Creative Commons. Say this week's module is about cows, so I might click in cow and search. So these images I am allowed to use. Once I find an image I would like, I simply click on it. It puts in the alt text for me for those with screen readers. If I think that this dimension will be too big, I can already resize it from here. Notice once I put in the number here, if I simply click my mouse in the next one for the height width, it will already adjust the ratio for me. How convenient. Then I click Update. There it is. Once I'm done, I can simply click Save. And now I can see that I have my images and my weeks. However, it might be something that I'd like to kind of reformat, like how I did in this course. If you notice, my images are all uniform. They look like buttons, and I simply did that within PowerPoint, and I did that as a format, and I made it be an image button by using PowerPoint to make those be all consistent. If you're interested in that, I'll be giving a workshop on that later on next month. Otherwise, once I have my images in there, I might want to be able to make them be clickable. Right now, notice they don't go anywhere. They're not clickable. I still need to provide a link in there for them. In order to do that, I'll show you another course. And this is what you would do. So in this course, I already have modules set up because you cannot link your text or images to a module if the module does not exist. So once you have your images in there, you need to be able to create your modules. Once your modules exist, you can go back to your table and then simply hyperlink them. So for example, say if now I want to link week 2 in my table, I simply select the text, and now this time, instead of using the image file, I want to use the image tab, I want to use the link tab. Notice I can link to anywhere in the course, any assignment, any quiz, and so on, but in this case, I want to link to a module. I find which module I want it to link to, click on it, and it's already linked there. Again, if I want it to be able to link to an image file, if I've already created an image that I'd like, I can just click on there and find it again. I simply click on the image and I can link the image as well. Now that's hyperlinked. Once I hit save, all of these will go to the particular week that I'd like to go to. So notice how it goes right away to week 1. If I click on week 2 or the image, it goes right away to week 2. So there are a couple things again that you have to think about when you create a page that you'll design yourself. One, when you first choose the home page, simply clicking on this and clicking save will not work. You need to create your front page first. So make sure you create your front page, and once your page exists, click on View All Pages, and then next to the gear, you want to say Use as Front Page. So here I can change my home page whenever I'd like by just using the gear drop-down, Use as Front Page. Now this would become my front page if I did that. After you do that, you have your options for creating a table, for putting in images, either from your own image files or from, say, the Flickr Creative Commons. And you can also hyperlink your text and the images to that particular spot in the module that you'd like to direct your students to. Of course, once you're done, make sure you click Save. The Syllabus and Assignments option provides an area at the top for content and hyperlinks. So the content such as your syllabus as a clickable file, as seen over here. So here's that clickable file. And there's space at the bottom for a dynamic chronological list of the assignments, as you can see down here. Any assignment or event that has been created in a course, whether through the assignments, quizzes, or discussions area, or even in the modules area, will appear in this Syllabus and Assignments homepage automatically. If you gave it a due date, it will be listed in chronological order. If you did not give the assignment, quiz, or discussion board a due date, it will just be lumped together towards the bottom of the list. So it's best to include due dates. If you want to make syllabus information obvious on the homepage, do not just copy and paste your syllabus in the white content area. It forces students to scroll a long way down to get to your list of assignments. Instead, you should just include your syllabus as a clickable file link, again, shown like here. Otherwise, the Syllabus and Assignments layout is much like a page I'll design myself, a front page. So make sure any content on the home page is always relevant. I do like to have an image or images or a banner that brands the course. Now let me show you how you can create a clickable file in Canvas. This is really helpful if you choose something such as the syllabus or the assignments with syllabus listing as your home page, because you do not want to simply copy and paste your entire syllabus here. You can simply use it as a clickable file, such as I did here. So, in order to do that, you need to edit your syllabus description. Your edit button will be found over here towards the right. Once you click on it, I'll show you how you can make this be a clickable file. So you put your mouse where you'd like the file, then you select the Files tab here towards the right. If you need to upload a new file, upload it here. Otherwise, you can simply find it amongst your course files. So I might click over here within my docs, and I can see my syllabus is right here. So again, I put my mouse where I want it to be. Then I select the document, and Canvas puts it in there for me. If it was a new file I wanted to upload, I simply click Upload New File, choose File, find wherever that might be on my computer, say this, open. There I see my document. Again, I've put my mouse where I'd like the file to be, and then click Upload. And now that file is there. So this will work well with PowerPoints, PDFs, documents, etc. Once it's there, I click Update Syllabus. And there it is. So if a student wants to read the syllabus, they can simply click on it, and then it will download on their computer, and then they can simply click on it and save it on their computer if they'd like to, or print it out very easily. So consider your homepage layout options and to determine which works best for your course and teaching style. Is it the recent activity dashboard? Is it the page's front page, course modules, assignments list, or the syllabus? My recommendation is not to keep the default recent activity dashboard as your homepage. Instead, change it to either syllabus with assignments, or the modules, or a page I'll design myself, a front page. Heck, if students don't have to worry about course organization, maybe they'll have some extra time to partner up with Stephen Hawking and figure out how the universe works. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and change your homepage layout. Try it now.